welcome back to my channel. So I thought I'd start vlogging today just because it's the weekend and I don't really have much else to do. But yeah, so today I'm going to be making some fried rice for breakfast, and I'm going to show you some of the things I've cooked in my air fryer over the past week. And then I'm going to show you a snippet of me playing my new Ring Fit adventure game. So I'm excited to show you guys how my day goes. So please hit that like and subscribe button for more content. Good morning. I just woke up, so I'm going to make some fried rice now. So my spring onion plants have been growing for a while now, and I thought it's time to harvest them. So here's what I've got, and I'm just gonna go rinse them. I have another plant here as well, but I'm just going to wait for it to grow a bit more before I trim them. I've got a pile of boxes that I need to take out for recycling, so I'm gonna work on that. So many boxes from all the deliveries that I've been getting, so I need to fold them up and recycle them today. All my boxes are folded up and ready to be recycled. So I finished my lunch/brunch and also recycled my boxes. I'm probably gonna spend the rest of the day editing my videos. So I'd like to show you my short clip that I promised of me playing my Ring Fit adventure game. So today my Ring Fit finally arrived. It's been out of stock for ages and I didn't really want to pay double, so I kind of just waited until Nintendo restocked it and I got it for the original price of $69.99. This is the box and I'm just gonna open it now. The Ring Fit game. And this is the Pilates band. And the leg strap. Okay, so I'm gonna put the controller into the Ring Fit thing. Just like that. And then the other controller goes into this pouch here.
There should be a door just a little further along this path.
So I did 29 minutes and burned 110 calories. And did 105 squats. And these are the stats you get at the end of it.
Pulling on your wrist, tilt to the right and stretch your side.
Tired. So what are my thoughts on the Ring Fit game? Well, I enjoyed it quite a lot. It was quite fun, but I think I wouldn't substitute that for a proper workout. Maybe it gets harder as I progress through the levels, but I'm gonna keep playing and I'll let you know how it goes. Anyways, thanks again for watching my vlog. I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen so far. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button below, and yeah, have a good day. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more content.